Welcome to Diaper Days, where every step toward parenthood is a story worth telling. So, you're thinking, how do I get pregnant? It's one of the most beautiful, life-changing questions you'll ever ask. Whether you're just starting out, have been trying for a while, or simply want to understand your body better, this video is for you. Stick around because today we're diving deep into the real answers, natural tips, and the emotional journey of conceiving, with love, science, and support by your side. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe so you never miss a moment from Diaper Days, your cozy corner on the internet for everything baby, bump, and beyond. Let's start with something powerful. Your body is incredibly wise. Every month, your body prepares a warm, welcoming space, just in case a tiny miracle wants to begin. Here's the magic behind the scenes. Around day 14 of a 28-day cycle, you ovulate. That means your ovary releases an egg. That egg only survives for about 12 to 24 hours. But don't worry, sperm can live inside you for up to 5 days, which gives you a fertile window. So, if you're trying to get pregnant, the best time to try is about 2 to 3 days before ovulation and on the day you ovulate. And here are the pro tips. You can track ovulation using ovulation predictor kits, basal body temperature, or even by paying attention to cervical mucus changes. It's amazing how our bodies give us clues. Now that you understand the when, let's talk about the how often. Doctors suggest having sex every other day during your fertile window. That's from about day 10 to 16 of a regular cycle. Why every other day? Because it gives sperm time to recharge. Literally. And listen, don't turn this into a rigid schedule or a chore. This is about love, connection, a shared dream. Did you know? Frequent, regular ejaculation helps maintain healthy sperm. But going overboard, like multiple times a day, might lower sperm quality. So, balance is everything. Make space for joy, for laughter, for spontaneous moments. Want to boost your chances of hearing tiny feet pitter-patter? Here's how to naturally support your fertility. No pressure, just little steps that can make a big difference. Eat like you love yourself. Leafy greens, berries, nuts, whole grains, and lean proteins. Your body deserves the best. Take a prenatal vitamin, even before pregnancy, especially one with folic acid to help prevent birth defects from day one. Cut the sneaky saboteurs, say no thanks to smoking. Pass on that third cup of coffee, and limit alcohol. It's worth it. Move your body, a walk, a dance, a yoga session. Keep it light but regular. Rest well. Your hormones balance better when you're sleeping peacefully. And hey, future dads, you matter too. Eat well, stay cool. Literally, avoid hot tubs and laptops on laps. And keep stress at bay. Sometimes, even when you're doing everything right, it still doesn't happen right away. If you've been trying for over 12 months, or 6 months if you're over 35, it's time to check in with a fertility specialist. You might be dealing with PCOS, endometriosis, low sperm count hormonal imbalances, all of which can be managed with the right care. Doctors aren't there to judge. They're there to guide you with compassion and clarity. Here's the part we don't talk about enough. The emotions. 1 month, your heart soars with hope. The next, it sinks with disappointment. It's okay to feel it all. You are not alone. Every path is different, and your feelings are 100% valid. Talk to your partner, find your circle, and don't be afraid to pause, breathe, and just be. This isn't just a medical process. It's a deeply human, spiritual, sometimes messy, always beautiful journey. So, how do you get pregnant? By learning your body's rhythm, by making mindful, loving choices, by embracing the process with patience and grace, and most importantly, by believing in the magic of what's to come. We're rooting for you. We see you, we celebrate you, and we'll be right here with you. If this video helped you, please hit that like button, subscribe to Diaper Days, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message today. Have a question or want to share your story? drop it in the comments. We read every single one. Until next time, stay hopeful, stay kind to yourself, and remember, your journey is unfolding exactly as it should. This is Diaper Days, where parenthood begins with love.